I have a Panasonic bathroom fan/light. I replaced both bulbs but they don't light. Is there a starter I need to replace? I don't see one.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Just now.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. 1. Is the light controlled by a separate wall switch or is the fan and light both on the same switch? 2. Do you have a multimeter available to check voltage at the light bulb sockets? 3. Have you checked the fan light bulb wiring splices? Most likely a loose or faulty wire at a splice.
Separate switches for light and fan. Panasonic FE LP003. I haven't taken the unit out of the ceiling to check connections, but it's been working for 7 years. I do have a meter.
Thanks for the replies. 1. Set the meter to the 200 volt AC setting. 2. Back the light switch out from the wall box. Place 1 meter probe to one of the wires on the light switch and the second meter probe to a ground wire. One of the switch wires should measure a constant 120 volts whether the switch is on or off. Once you identify the always hot wire on the switch, then place a meter probe to the other switch screw and the second meter probe to ground. With the switch in the on position, you should measure 120 volts and 0 volts when the switch is in the off position. 3. If the above voltage measure OK at the light switch, then the problem is most likely a loose splice at the light wire splices and the fan unit will need to be dropped from the ceiling, unless there is an attic above the fan.
Nope. Power to the fixture socket that the light assembly plugs into. Has to be the ballast? I was hoping the switch was bad. Online forums indicate the ballast go bad. I'll take the assembly into the distributor and then look at it and get another 2 new bulbs first.
1. Are the bulbs LED or fluorescent or incandescent?
Fluorescent.
Thanks for a reply. 1. Since a fluorescent bulb, the problem could either be a defective ballast or a loose wire splice or a faulty switch. 2. Before purchasing a replacement ballast, test the switch and the light splice connection with a multimeter. If the switch and splices measure OK, then the problem is the ballast. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. Thank you for the positive service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great day. Thanks again. Kevin.
Replaced the ballast with a Sylvania and it works like a charm. Found out the electrician wired the night light with the light. How stupid is that? I'll wire to the fan switch, geez.
Glad to hear that all is working okay. Yes, rewire the night light to the fan switch and you will be okay. Take care and have a great weekend. Thanks. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.